हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोग एनाटॉमी सेकंड पार्ट शुरू करते हैं जो है पेपर 2 अपर लिम्ब एंड थोरैक्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मसल नॉट फाउंड इन रोटेटर कफ। ऑप्शंस हैं ए सबस्कैपुलरी, बी सुप्रास्पाइनेटस, सी इंफ्रास्पाइनेटस, डी डी टेरेस मेजर। So the right answer is D teres major. Second question is all structure passes through carpal tunnel except A medianal, B radial bursa, C ulnar bursa, and D palmaris longus. So the right answer is D palmaris longus. Third question is wrist joint is an example of A ball and socket, B ellipsoid, C saddle, and D condylar. So the right answer is B ellipsoid. Fourth question is first and second introsoi are supplied by A medial nerve, B ulnar nerve, D C both, and D none. So the right answer is ulnar nerve. Next question is fifth rupture of supraspinatus manifests as A painful movement, B flat shoulder, C difficulty in initiation of abduction, D difficult abduction after 90. So the right answer is number C, difficulty in initiation of abduction. Next question is sixth. Lateral boundary of cubital fossa is formed by A bronchiodialis, B pronator teres, C branchialis, D biceps. So the right answer is A branchioradialis. Next question is action of anonius muscles is A elbow flexion, B forearm supination, C supination, D screwing movement. So the right answer is D screwing movement. Next question is medial nerve injury at wrist is commonly tested by A contraction of abductor pollicis brevis, B contraction of flexor pollicis brevis, C loss of sensation of palm, D loss of sensation of ring finger. So the right answer is B contraction of flexor pollicis brevis. Next question is in deltoid paralysis which nerve is involved? A median, B musculocutaneous, C axillary, D radial. Right answer is C axillary. Infection of index spread to A mid palmar space, B radial bursa, C thinner space, D dorsum of hand. So the right answer is C thinner bursa, thinner space. Next question is ulnar nerve injury at wrist involves following except A palmar anteriorsi, B opponent's pollicis, C dorsal anteriorsi, D adductor pollicis. So the right answer is B opponent's pollicis. Trapezius is attached to all except A rib, A first rib, B clavicle, C scapula, and D occiput. So the right answer is A first rib. Next question is all pierce the clavipectoral fascia except A lateral pectoral nerve, B lateral pectoral arch, C cephalic vein, D thoracoacromial arch. So the right answer is B lateral pectoral arch. Next question is the weight of upper limb is transmitted to the axial skeleton by dash ligament. Options are coracoclavicular, B coracoacromial, C costoclavicular, and D coracohumeral. So the right answer is A coracoclavicular. Next question is Erb's point is A C5 C6, B C7 CD, C8 C long thoracic nerve, D thoracodorsal nerve. So the right answer is A C5 C6. Next question is functions of lumbricals are A flexion of MCP, flexion of IP, flexion of MCP, extension of MCP, and adduction of finger. So right answer is flexion of MCP. Next question is carpal tunnel contain all the following except A medial nerve, B flexure pollicis longus, C flexure carpi radialis, and D flexure digitalis superficial. So the right answer is C. Right answer is C flexure carpi radialis. Next question is all the following muscles undergo paralysis after injury to C5 C6 spinal nerve except A biceps, B coracobrachialis, C brachialis, and D brachioradialis. The right answer is brachioradialis. Next question is base of heart is formed by A. right atrium and right ventricle, B. left atrium and left ventricle, C. both atriums, and D. both the ventricles. So the right answer is C. both the atriums. Next question is which one of the following is in the paroxysmal row of carpal? A. trapezoid, B. trapezium, C. tricollateral, and D. capitate. So the right answer is C. Next question is if a foreign body enters into the nose accidentally, it enters medial segment of right and middle lobe, basal segment of left lobe, apical segment of right lower lobe, posterior segment of left lower lobe. So the correct answer is number C, apical segment of left lower lobe. Okay, so next question is shoulder joint are weakest. A. above, B. below, C. laterally, D. medially. So the right answer is B. below. Which rib of our body is most oblique? A. first rib, B. second rib, C. ninth rib, and D. 10th rib. Right answer is C. ninth rib. Inferior angle of scapula lies at the level of T6, T7, T8, and T5. Right one is T7. Which nerve is called musician nerve? Radial nerve, ulnar nerve, median nerve, and sciatic nerve. So the right answer is B. ulnar nerve. The sinus node is supplied by A. right coronary artery, B. right anterior ventricular artery, C. left anterior descending artery, and D. atrioventricular nodal artery. So the right one is A. right coronary artery. Length of esophagus is 10 cm, B. 25 cm, C. 25 cm, and D. 40 cm. So right one is B. 25 centimeters. Which vein does not drain into the coronary sinus? A. small cardiac vein, B. medial cardiac vein, C. vena cardis minimi, and D. great cardiac vein. The right one is C. vena cardis minimi. Next question is Piquet duct is another name of Hansen's duct, Wharton duct, thoracic duct, and biliary duct. Right one is C. Next question is Snuff's box contain median nerve, ulnar nerve, brachial artery, radial artery. So right one is D. radial artery. Clempex paralysis involve a lower trunk of brachial plexus, upper trunk of brachial plexus, total brachial plexus, and Erb's point. So right one is A. lower trunk of brachial plexus. Trachea bifurcate at the level of jugular notch, sternal angle, level of aortic arch, and body of manubrium. So right one is B. sternal angle. Sternal angle. Next question is which muscles is called as boxer's muscle? Trapezius, serrator anterior, latissimus dorsi, and subscapulary. So right one is B. serrator anterior. Serratus anterior. And the next question is coracobrachialis is supplied by axillary nerve, radial nerve, muscocutaneous nerve, ulnar nerve. The right one is C. muscocutaneous nerve. Next question is arrangement of structure in cubital fossa from lateral to medial side are medial nerve, brachial nerve, bicipital aponeurosis, and radial nerve. Brachial nerve, bicipital aponeurosis, radial nerve, and medial nerve. Radial nerve, bicipital aponeurosis, brachial nerve, brachial artery, median nerve, and D. radial nerve, brachial artery, bicipital aponeurosis, and median nerve. So right answer is C. radial nerve, bicipital aponeurosis, brachial artery, and median nerve. Next question is subclavian artery continues into auxiliary artery at A. inner border of first rib, outer border of first rib, C. upper border of teres major, and D. lower border of teres major. So right one is B. outer border of first rib. Next question is injury of ulnar nerve at a wrist causes A. apt thumb deformity, B. claw-like hand, carpal tunnel syndrome, and D. wrist drop. So the right one is B. claw-like hand. Next question is, the median cubital vein is the vein of choice for intravenous injection, for withdrawing blood from donor and for catheterization, because it A is a long vein, B is an accessory vein, C does not slip during perceiving, and D is deep vein. So the right answer is C, does not slip during perceiving. Next question is, during quiet breathing, the lower border of the lung is found at the level of A, 6th rib in mid-clavicular line, B, 8th rib in mid-clavicular line, C, 10th rib in mid-clavicular line, and D, 12th rib in mid-clavicular line. So the right answer is A, 6th rib in mid-clavicular line. Next question is, in left lung there is a dash bronchopulmonary segment, A6, B8, C10, D12. So right answer is B8. Next question is, all the tributaries of right atrium except A, inferior vena cava, B, coronary sinus, C, venae cordis minimi, D, great cardiac veins. So the right answer is D, great cardiac. And next question is, right hilum is hooked by A, azygous vein, B, hemiazygous vein, C, arch of aorta, and D, thoracic duct. Right answer is number A, azygous vein. Next question is, third constriction of esophagus present at level of A, where it pierces the diaphragm, B, cricopharyngeus, C, junction of esophagus and stomach, and D, left bronchus crossing the aorta. So right answer is number Right answer is number D, left bronchus crossing the aorta. Next question is, the arch of aorta lies behind the A, lower half of mandibular sterni, B, xiphoid process of sternum, C, middle 1/3 of mandibular sterni, D, jugular notch. So right answer is A, lower half of mandibular sterni. Next question is, the angle of Lewis is A, used in measuring genu valgus, B, angle between the neck and shaft of femur, C, the angle of formal triangle, D, used in counting ribs. So the right answer is number D, used in counting ribs. Next question is, azygous vein end in right atrium of heart, B, inferior vena cava, C, left brachiocephalus vein, and D, superior vena cava. So right answer is number D, superior vena cava. Next question is, wrist drop is due to injury of A, median nerve, B, radial nerve, C, ulnar nerve, and D, axillary nerve. So right answer is B, radial nerve. Next question is, lateral boundary of cubital fossa is formed by A, brachioradialis, B, pronator teres, C, brachialis, and D, biceps. So right answer is A, brachioradialis. Next question is, esophageal opening in diaphragm is at the level of A, T10, B, T9, C, T12, and D, T8. Next one is, right answer is A, T10. Next and last question is, bronchopulmonary segment contains all except A, independent pulmonary artery, B, independent pulmonary veins, C, territory bronchiole, and D, conical segment. So the right answer is B, independent pulmonary artery. Thank you.